أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
SubhanAllah, guys, it looks like I'm gonna have to advise my arrows with the taqwa of Allah, because these two made hijrah of these two made tabdi of these two and said, y'all are astray. SubhanAllah, I'm gonna have to advise these arrows. They need to stick together, man. But Alhamdulillah. As-Salaamu Alaykum Wa Rahmatullahi, guys. Josh here, back with another video. Hope you're doing well. Guys, today is November 14th, and why that's significant is that means I'm officially 2 weeks into a 30-day challenge that I've challenged myself to do. Nobody online has done this challenge that I've been able to find. It came up from my twisted mind, and dude, this thing is going to prove to you that you can dominate your deen and your dunya. You don't have to compromise one or the other. I'm getting some incredible, amazing benefits. That's all I'm going to tell you guys. It's dropping December 3rd because I still got 2 weeks to go, inshallah. That's all you're going to hear about that today. Now, guys, we got to talk about how you can create and find your passion. All right, guys, now the reason why I chose this topic for today's video is the other day I stopped by a brother's shop. He owns a coffee shop, and I got some of that world famous Somali tea, that Asr tea. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And we got on the topic of passion. You know, I was of the opinion, I thought that coffee shop was his passion, right? This is what he owns. But he said, man, I haven't found my passion yet. And I said, yeah, you don't find your passion. Your passion isn't hidden under your bed with that ab roller that you never use, that you bought that one time off that infomercial that one night. You know what I'm saying? Or it's like people say, I need to find time. You don't find time, akhi. We all were given 24 hours in a day. You're not going to find any extra time hidden under your bed. So today, guys, I'm going to teach you how to create passion. Not find it on your bed somewhere, but actually create passion for your life. Probably because you want some new career for yourself, which is totally fine, Alhamdulillah, and actually prove to you that you don't even need to like something at first to become incredibly passionate and borderline obsessive about it. If that sounds interesting, let's jump in. Bullseye, baby. So guys, one great way to find your passion or to create passion is to find a pain point, right? And what I mean by that is the only reason why I started getting into fitness, guys, is because I heard my mama tell me too many times, boy, you got no meat on your bones, you're too skinny, you got to put some meat on them bones. I heard that since I was a kid, man, and one day I said, enough is enough. My mama ain't never finna tell me that no more. And I'm finna get jacked, man. I'm finna get yoked, son. And you know, I started going to the gym. It was awkward, uncomfortable. Thought everyone was looking at me. Oh, this awkward dude, he don't even know what he's doing, right? I couldn't even lift 135 pounds on the bench. You know what I'm saying? So I was super conscious already, self-conscious going in, and then it just added and added and added to it. But eventually, I started making progress, and that progress turned into passion. Another example, guys, of something that I use as a pain point is this YouTube channel. The only reason why I started this YouTube channel, guys, was because I hate working for somebody else. I absolutely cannot stand answering to someone else other than Allah. If it's not Allah, and if we had a Muslim ruler, it'd be Allah and the Muslim ruler and nobody else, man. I don't want to answer to nobody, right? And so I created this YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel as another pain point that I want to, you know what I'm saying, I have the freedom to do what I want, when I want, with whom I want, for however long I want, inshallah. And so that's another example. Now, in addition to the pain point, I found something that I was already inclined to, and that is creativity. And I've mentioned this in other videos. And that is, you know, again, I lean towards and lean into being creative. That's what gets me fired up, man. Competition is another thing, but creativity at its core is what really gets your boy, you know what I'm saying, gets my blood flowing. And so you gotta find something that's a pain point as well as something that you're already naturally inclined towards. Alright guys, the third thing that you want to do with regards to creating your passion is you want to be able to serve others. So think deeply and find a way that this passion of yours, it can serve others. We'll talk more about that in a second. Bullseye, baby. So as I was saying, guys, you want to actually find a way to help serve others, right? And the reason why I say that, for multiple reasons, but a very, very crucial reason, is because when you're building passion, when you're creating passion, you're going to go through a period of, first you're gonna progress, and then you're gonna plateau, right? So it's very important that when you go through that plateau, and you go through that boring stage, because every master has to go through a stage in a period of boredom to keep you going, guys. We're gonna have that pain point that I mentioned. We're gonna have something that you're already inclined towards, like for me again is creativity. And number 3 is that you are serving other people. You're not wanting to let other people down, right? People are expecting this great service from you. They're depending on you. So when you combine pain point, something you're already naturally inclined towards, and you involve other people, which I mention all the time, to actually serve and help them and make their lives better and give them a better quality of life, it's going to give you fulfillment, and it's going to push you through those hard times of boredom and stagnancy. Now, shooting this bow actually reminds me of another tip that I want to share with you, and that is to always strive for excellence. You know that your boy subscribes to the Kaizen philosophy, and that philosophy is that you get 1% better every single day. Right, you're always trying to incrementally improve, and that's why I'm having so much fun, guys, because if you remember a couple weeks back, I showed you the first time I'd shot, and basically since pre-COVID, and it was not a pretty sight. But then I started remembering, oh yeah, put my foot like this, oh yeah, you know, have my peephole like this, have my touch point like this, etc., etc., etc. I started remembering things, and I started getting incrementally better, where I was like, oh snap, I'm starting to hit the bullseye, I'm starting to hit the point that I want to hit. And that is because I'm striving for excellence, and I'm striving to get better every single day. So no doubt, passion is obviously going to make that easy to strive for excellence, but you also have to make a conscious decision and intention to actually strive for excellence. That's also going to help from day one, before you're even good, right? Before you even know if this is truly your passion, right? You got to strive for excellence from day one, because if you just half-butt it, for lack of a better word, how are you ever gonna find your passion, man? Alright, bro. Bismillah. Again, Kodiak, Alaska, baby. Bismillah. That's a dead buck.
We interrupt our program at the request of the White House. This is the emergency broadcast system.
We interrupt your viewing pleasure because your boy thought that he actually, told you guys why I put that Kodiak, Alaska footage in the beginning. That is what I visualize every time I'm thumping this target, bro. It's a big dream of mine, man, to go to Kodiak, Alaska and bow hunt some Sitka blacktail. Man, I want to hunt some caribou, some moose, some elk. You boys want that big game. Alright, with that being said, back to the video. Alright guys, I got one arrow left. If I hit the bullseye, you gotta give the video a thumbs up. And if I don't hit the bullseye, well, you have my permission to leave the best burn that you got down in the comments below. Give me your best shot. Nope, no pun intended. Here we go, Bismillah. Alright, no pressure, Bismillah. No bueno on that one, bro. And that, guys, is how you create passion. You don't find it, you create it. By what? By finding a pain point. Obviously, you gotta find a good pain point. Find one that really hits you home, right? Number 2 is you gotta find something that you're already inclined towards, whether that be creativity, like I mentioned, competition, possibly breaking the law and doing way over the speed limit. Did I just say that? That might be a passion of mine. Anyways, guys, you also got to make sure that you're serving other people, man, and striving for excellence. If you get value from my videos, man, and you want to help me take this channel to the next level so that I can continue taking your life to that next level, hit that first link down in the description below. It's going to take you to my Patreon membership, and that's where, guys, I don't have to spend as much time working at an office. I can spend more time creating more videos to help you achieve your dreams. So, if you want to help your boy out, help take this channel to that next level, inshallah, hit that first link down in the description below. With that being said, guys, that is the video. If you got value, drop your boy a like down below because it truly does help the channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell because I drop 2 new videos every single week, every Monday and every Thursday, and inshallah you don't want to miss it. Why? Because creating videos for you, well, that's my passion, and I strive for excellence. Yeah, that's a lot of words I'm trying to get out. With that being said, guys, Jazakallah khairan, Barakatahu fikum. As always, stop worrying about yesterday, stop worrying about tomorrow, make today great, and I'll see you in the next one.